But before going to solve the problems, as I said, you have to revise all the points what I have discussed in the previous 4 or 5 classes. And some of you are perfect, and that at least you can keep your material with you guys while we are solving the questions. Keep your material with you. Okay. So now the first question I'm going to discuss by making use of your trigonometric ratios, or we can call it as formulas. We can call it as formulas. The first problem he has given, sin x plus sin square x will be given as 1. Then find the value of, then what is the value of cos square x plus cos power 4x is equal to how much? The following options will be given to you. It is 0, 1, 2, minus 1. These are the 4 options he has given. You can see the problem. Let us see the problem and how we can approach, how to solve this question. That any identity behind this question, first you can observe. Any identity behind this question.
Sir, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But if I'm observing in the requirement, only causes will be there. Only cos square, cos 4 will be there. So how we can convert, as she said, Linesha, that sin x I can take it as 1 minus sin square x. This sin square x I'm taking on right hand side. This is clearly given to you. So sin x is equal to what? I can write sin square x. And you know that 1 minus sin square x is how much? It is
Cos square x.
cos square x. This is an identity already we proved. We people have calculated, reduced by using Pythagoras theorem. This is an identity I can use. Now let's go for the requirement. It is cos square x. I can take cos power 4 as cos square x whole square. As you said, cos square x I can keep as it is. Cos power 4 means instead of cos square x, what is meant by cos square x? Can we take sin x?
Yes, sir. Whole square.
Sin x whole square. So this means that cos square x plus sin square x. So the angle is whatever it may be, cos square plus sin square, that value will be 1. Your
1.
answer should be 1. Simple problem I used, guys, for this question. Simple problem. And we can make use of the identities what I have given to you. What is their first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. You can rotate, and even from these first one you can get 2 more reductions. Next, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are the 3 identities. Even we proved also, guys. We proved in the first class, last class, right? Now, by making use of these identities, let's see the next question. Hope you can understand the first one. This sin square will be on right hand side. I can have the relation sin x is equal to cos square x, and I can think over it. What I need to go for, I need to do for the requirement, how we can solve this question. Cos square plus sin square, if it is there, then it's will become 1, right? Let's go for the second problem, problem number 2. Second problem. Sin square alpha divided by 1 plus cot square alpha. The questions are not so easy, guys, but you should work on it. The problems which you are solving now, you have to spend 30 minutes after the class. You can revise all the problems what we have done in today's class. The questions are not so easy. You have to do the problems once again after completion of our class. Is equal to how much? He has given the same options: 0, next 1, next 2, and the fourth option we have, that is -1.
Sir, sir, 1 plus cot square we can take as cosecant square, and 1 plus tan square, tan power 4 whole square we can take as tan power 8.
Yes, that's we can make use of the identities which I have given to you. Let's see how we can solve this. As you said, I
Sir?
can take sine square alpha. Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes, please.
Yes, sir. That means from here we will do only problems, sir.
Today we'll do problems regarding to the points which we have discussed in the last 4-5 classes.
Okay, sir.
Only from the first chapter. That is the trigonometric ratios. So I can get 1 plus cot square alpha. This cot square will be on right hand side. Is it cosec square alpha plus tan square we can keep as it is, and 1 plus tan square means this tan square will be on right hand side. It is sec square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. So I have some problem with respect to this concept. I can take it as sine square alpha divided by cosecant means 1 divided by sine square alpha, because there is a problem with tan, cosecant, secant, and then cos. So you can write, you can convert all the expressions in terms of sine and then cos. Sine square alpha divided by cos square alpha. Tan means sine upon cos divided by secant means 1 divided by cos. Cos square alpha whole square plus already we have cos square alpha. Let us see how we are solving. 1 cos square will get cancelled, guys. 1 cos square will get cancelled. And how we are doing this? This sine square will comes in numerator. It will become sine power 4 alpha. And even you can take it as a sine square alpha, and this will comes in numerator. This will comes in numerator. 1 by cos square will comes in numerator, reciprocal, plus sine square alpha. Next,
Into
cos square alpha plus cos power 4 alpha. From the last two terms, cos square alpha will be taken as constant common.
Sir.
I'll
Sir,
take
there
it
is
as
cos
common.
square alpha. Last.
Sir, answer 2.
So last one, how did
answer one, sir.
cos power
Last
one?
to cos square alpha. Don't talk. You can keep silence. Sine power 4 alpha plus it is sine square alpha, and cos square alpha will be given to you. Now from the first, not first to first and last, I can take first and then second, because I thought it is cos power 4. I got only cos square. This is cos square only. Last term he has given just cos square. So from the first and second term, let us take sine square x as common. You can take sine square x as common. Then what happened to the rest of the part you can see. I'll take sine square alpha will be common. The rest of the part will be sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. Plus again cos square alpha, already it is there. What is meant by sine square alpha plus cos square alpha? Is it tending to 1?
One,
This
sir.
tending to 1 is equal to sine
1
square alpha
Plus
into
cos.
1
cos square
plus
alpha.
cos square alpha.
That is also one only, sir.
1 only.
This is also 1. That means your answer is second option.
Yes, sir.
Guys, these are the questions I am taking from 11th standard of the first level. Level of questions are there, level 1, level 2, level 3. I am taking the questions from level 1, first level problems. Is it clear? Now
Sir, I
I can
have
go
a
for the
doubt.
next. Yes, please.
Sir, that means we can say that 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to 1 by sin square alpha.
1 plus cot square alpha means it is already I have given to you. You can take it as, let's see, cosecant square alpha is equal to 1 plus cot square. That cot alpha will be on right hand side. Similarly, sec square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square. That's why I'm telling you people, guys, before attending the class, once you have to revise all the points. These are all already we proved. Even cosecant means what I can write. Cosecant alpha means, is it 1 by sine or not? 1 by sine alpha. Cot means what I can write? Cos by sine. Tan means sine by cos. Secant means 1 by cos. So all trigonometric ratios will be converted in terms of sine and cos.
Sir,
Okay.
one question can I tell, sir? Sir, from
Yes.
level A inter question, sir.
Yeah, that's, we will discuss your personal questions. We will discuss. You can post it. I can give the answers. No problem. Okay. I'll go for the next question.
Sir, can you explain from the third step?
Third step. Where this one?
Sir, in the left side last step.
Last one. What is mean by secant? Secant means what I have given to you, 1 by cos.
1 by cos square.
Yeah, I have given 1 by cos. Whole square is there. I have written whole square. Tan means sine by cos. I have written sine by cos. That's it. And this 1 square will get cancelled. And it is in reciprocal. This will, cos square will comes in numerator. Sine square into cos square. This
I
cos
did not
square, 1
understand.
cos square will get cancelled.
Yes,
Cos
sir.
square will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
We'll go for the next question. Problem number 3.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, instead of taking sine square theta as a common, we can't take cos square, sir.
If you are taking cos square, what happened? You will get 1 plus sine square. 1 plus sine square, I don't have any formula. There is a problem.
Sir, I have posted, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is it clear, Linesha? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
I think so. Yeah. So if I'm taking cos square, I'll get sine square alpha plus 1. I don't have any property for sine square alpha plus 1. Please concentrate. Okay. So let's have the next question. Problem number 3. Problem number 3. So we have tan theta is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. Tan theta is minus 4 by 3. And theta does not belongs to fourth quadrant. Quadrant number 4 does not belongs to quadrant number 4. That means a tan theta is negative in which quadrant? If you are observing the coordinate system, tan theta is
Quadrant
negative
2
in
and
which
4.
quadrant?
Quadrant 3 and quadrant 4, sir.
2 and 4 is
Negative.
2 and 4, sir.
Quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. What clearly he has given, this is not in fourth quadrant means your theta value will be in second quadrant. Hope you can understand my point. Is it clear? This is negative. Tan is negative only in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. But clearly he has given you are not in fourth quadrant means theta lies in second quadrant. Now, what he's asking, just find out the value of 5 sine theta plus 10 cos theta plus 9 sec theta plus 16 cosec theta plus 4 cot theta. 4 times of cot theta is equal to how much? Now, clearly, you said that your quadrant is 2. You are in second quadrant. And now he is asking all the following values. What is that? Sin theta, cos theta, secant, cosecant, cot. Except to tan, all he is asking. Except to tan. Sir, how we can find out the rest of the ratios?
Sir, in second quadrant, we need tan
How
theta.
are we in second quadrant?
Already he has given tan.
Sir, they mentioned, sir, like in question only.
Yes, theta does not belongs to quadrant number 4. This is
Sir,
clearly
then
he
they
has
can
mentioned.
also line 3 na, sir. Yes, sir.
3 tan theta will be positive. Because, yeah, so tan theta is positive in which quadrant? That is in third quadrant. 1 and 1 and. So it is negative only in second and fourth. Clearly,
Okay.
he has mentioned it is not in fourth quadrant. It means your tan must be in second.
Okay,
Because
sir.
in first quadrant, it is positive. First and third, it is positive. Positive tan theta. Is it clear? And in second and fourth, it is negative. Negative. And here it is also negative. But clearly he has mentioned you are not allowed in fourth. That means you are in second quadrant. That's how to find out the rest of the trigonometric ratios by making use of the right angle triangle or not. Make use of the right
Yes, sir.
angled triangle. I'm taking this is A and it is B and it is C. Let it be theta. According to the given question, the given value as 4 divided by 3. That is opposite upon adjacent. Tan theta will be what? It is opposite upon adjacent.
Adjacent.
Opposite upon adjacent. That is base. This is given as 4 divided by 3. That is minus that we will see later. He has given minus. And by Pythagoras theorem, what I can write? AC value is 5 clearly. This is we have calculated. How? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yeah. AB value is how much? Already he has given AB is equal to, yes, that is 9 is equal to 25. AC is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5. Just now I have given to you. Now all the 3 sides lengths are given or not? The length of 3 sides are given. Now I can define all the values. 5 into this is equal to, Nana, what is asking? 5 into what is meant by sin theta? Opposite side divided by,
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
very good, hypotenuse. What is meant by cos theta? Adjacent side divided
Adjacent
by
side by hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Plus 9 into Shashank. Shashank. What is meant by sec theta? Shashank. Secant theta.
Sir, can I tell, sir? Ranveer?
Sir, can I tell? Girish.
Hypotenuse by adjacent.
Hypotenuse side by adjacent side.
Just the rest of the people keep quiet, guys. So I'm asking to Shashank, just he has to give the answer, okay? The rest of the people, just you can keep quiet, okay? I'll ask you, no, don't worry. Ritvik,
Sir,
your answer for secant.
secant is because of a P. B by
Sir, can I?
H by B, sir. Hypotenuse
H by
by
B.
D.
Hypotenuse, very good. Very good. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent.
Adjacent, sir.
That is the reciprocal of, is it cos theta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That is a 9. And then 16 times of Rohan. What is meant by cosec theta?
So cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite. Reciprocal of sine.
Reciprocal of sine. That means hypotenuse upon opposite. Linesha, cot theta.
By perpendicular, no, sir.
That's opposite means it is also called it as a perpendicular. In the first class I have given to you. Linesha, cot theta. It is called it
Sir,
as either
Sir,
perpendicular,
adjacent by opposite, sir.
adjacent by opposite. Very good. It is an adjacent side divided by opposite side. Now you can put all the values what we have from the right angle triangle, and you can tell me the correct answer for this question. Make it fast. You can do this question.
Sir, 48.
I can check it whether your answer is correct or not. I have to check. You can post your answers, please. You can post your answers, please. And don't forget, you can check with your quadrant. Check with your quadrant where you are. You are in second quadrant. Second quadrant means only sine and cosec will be positive. That is important. You told that it is 48, but you cannot allowed in second quadrant. Is it secant is allowed? No. That is 5 into, what is mean by sine theta value? Opposite upon hypotenuse, it is 4 divided by 5, it is positive. Plus 10 into adjacent upon hypotenuse, but I can take minus sign. Why? Because you are in second quadrant. Minus sign will assign. That is 3 divided by 5. It is also minus sign. Plus 9 into secant theta is also problem for us. I'll get minus 5 divided by 3 because it is negative. You are in second quadrant. Plus 16 into, I'll get positive quadrant. Cosecant is allowed. What is the reciprocal? It should be 5 divided by 4. Plus 4 into adjacent upon opposite side, that is 3 divided by 4, but I can take minus sign. Hope you can get negative values. Where we are getting negative, cot theta is negative, sec theta is negative, cos theta is also negative. Sine and cosec will be positive. 5 cut, your value will be 4, and 5 2 times, your value will be minus 6. 3 times, your value will be minus 15. 4 times, your value will be 20. And then 4 cut, your value will be minus 3. What is your answer if you are observing? 24 minus 24. Positive 24 minus negative 24. The question is very simple, guys, but if you are forget the quadrant as I have highlighted, quadrant number 2, except sine and cosec, rest of the ratios are negative. You have to understand the concept, how we are differ with the general concepts. The problems how we are solving. Hope you can understand this problem. I'll go for the next problem. Problem number 4. Yes, Linesha. Linesha, any doubt? Linesha, any doubt?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, can you say how we got a negative value there, sir?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. You are in second quadrant. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So second quadrant, is it rest of the part, I mean rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative or not?
Sir, in
Sine
second
theta,
quadrant, yes, sir.
Yeah.
In second quadrant, except sine and cosec, all other will be negative.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, definitely they are negative because you entered into other quadrants. The second quadrant is restricted for only sine and cosec. You entered in other quadrant. Almost 7-8 problems we have completed in the previous class. related to the identification of the quadrant. That means a sine 225, cos of 135. When we are finding other values, if we entered in other quadrant, minus sign will assign. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because we have restricted, you entered in only in the second quadrant. Yes. And then Girish, any doubt?
Thank you, sir.
Nikhil, any doubt? Rohan?
Yes, sir, I have doubt. Sir, in the question they gave the tan equals to minus 4 by 3.
Mm.
We shouldn't include negative. Sir, then why did we write the sides as 4 and 3, sir? Even if we write 8 and 6, it would be 4 by 3 only, na, sir. So,
You can now simplified form. Always when we are converting the in number system, always we are going to take the simplified format. You cannot take 8 divided by 6. 8 by 6 is the simplest form is 4 by 3 only.
sir, trigonometry they'll give only simplified forms only, sir, always.
No, even in number system, you can take in simplified form only. Number system, you cannot take 8 by 6. You can take 4 by 3.
Always I had to take.
Hope you can understand. Yeah, number system, you forgot the first chapter. Number system. That is important. Rational numbers chapter is there or not? Real numbers chapter is there. Yeah, so you can take the simplified format. Boop Singh, any doubt? Boop Singh. Shashank.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Its
Any doubt?
value is 0, no, sir. How it is second quadrant?
No, we are calculating the value of the entire expression. When you are in second quadrant, what is the value of the given expression? Entire expression, what I have written here.
Okay, sir. Understood.
The expression value which we have, it is 0. Clear?
Sir,
Next problem. Hope you can
sir, I have a doubt.
understand. Yes.
Sir, in the second step, we can cross cancel each other, no, sir. 5, 5 and 5, 10.
Yeah, that is what I have done. 5 cancel, so I got 4 here. I cannot do this simple calculation part. 5 one time, 2 times. That is what I have done here. 3 one time, 3 times. So that I got minus 15. 4 one times, 4 times.
I didn't understand
I
the
got 4 into
quadrants part,
520.
sir. What a quadrant.
First, you can listen once again. The first and second classes, recorded classes once again. Okay. It is available. Clearly, I took almost 2 hours. I mean, it is 1.5 hours for discussion of this quadrant system. First and second class, once again, you can listen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are perfect 50% guys for this year, 50%, then definitely you can able to understand the next year 75%. You are in just 8th standard, guys. So when you entered into the 10th standard, again we can have this lesson trigonometry in your 10th standard again, especially for 8th class students. And I'll try to go for question number 4. Similar problem. Try to keep in mute, please, all of you. Theta is in quadrant number 1. First quadrant means all are positive. Hope you can understand. Quadrant number 1 means all
All are
positive.
positive, sir.
And he has given that one value, one expression he has given, 5 times of tan theta is equal to 4. 5 times of tan theta is equal to 4. Then find the value of 5 into sine theta minus 3 into cos theta divided by sine theta plus 2 cos theta. Sine theta plus 2 cos theta. What is the value of this expression? The options are also available to you. The first option is 5 divided by 14. The second option is 3 divided by 14. The third option is 1 divided by 14. The fourth option is 0. These are the options he has given. It is 1 divided by 14. So first I can identify where is tan. First I can write it as tan value. Let us see, guys, how to solve this question. Can I take tan theta? That 5 will be on right hand side. Is it 4 by 5 or not? 4 divided by 5. You can solve this problem by two methods. This is the requirement. Divide numerator, denominator by cos theta. What we are doing? Numerator and denominator by cos theta. So sin theta minus 3 times of cos theta whole divided by cos theta. Similarly, denominator value, the expression will be sin theta plus 2 times of cos theta divided by cos theta. Sir, why you are dividing only by cos theta? You can understand now. 5 into sin theta divided by cos theta minus 3 into cos theta divided by cos theta. I have distributed for numerator. Similarly, denominator sin theta divided by cos theta plus 2 into cos theta divided by cos theta. Clear? So now if you are observing that this cos theta cancel, cos theta cancel. The rest of the part, is it 5 into tan theta? Sin by cos means what?
5 to 4 by
It
5.
is tan theta minus 3 divided by tan theta plus 2. You can have the value of tan theta, guys. 5 into tan theta value 4 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by tan theta value
1 by
4 divided by 5. 4 by 5 plus 2. This 5 cutter
Sir,
is equal to, just 1 second, 4 minus 3 divided by, take LCM, 4 plus 10 divided by 5. Numerator value 1 divided by 14 by 5. Your answer will be 5 by 14. This is one method of solving this question. That is the first option. Sir, what is another method? The method which we followed in the previous question, for the previous question. Just for the previous question, we can make use of the right angle triangle. You can find out the missing side length and you can proceed. Is it clear? This concept is clear. I'll go for the next method.
Sir, I did not understand this total sum, sir.
I'll go for the next
sir,
concept, next method, how we can do this. So to get
sir, that
tan,
means can we
yes
write
please.
5 tan? They gave us, sir. 5 tan theta is equal to 4. Can we substitute it directly?
Denominator, I don't have 5 tan theta. I have only tan theta.
No, sir. I said that in the numerator we got 5 minus 3. No, sir.
Yeah, you can substitute. And what about the denominator? So you can take standard tan theta value.
Okay, sir.
You can substitute for the numerator. Yes, 5 cancel, you'll get, yeah, what you said, that is correct. What about the denominator? You can have tan theta value. Tan theta, from this, tan theta is equal to that 5 will be on right hand side. I'll get 4 by 5. And this is the method, the standard method that I'm going to use by making use of the right angled triangle. How? Let's have the right angle triangle. Let's have the right angle triangle. This is A and it is B and it is C. What is meant by tan theta? Opposite side upon adjacent side, or perpendicular, what you said. I'm going to take this as theta. Opposite means, is it 4 or not? Adjacent means it is 5 or not? And what I'm going to get? 5 square plus 4 square. AC square is equal to, yeah, it is little bit complicated. Yeah, AB square plus BC square. BC square.
3,
This
sir.
is equal to AB square means how much? It is 16. BC square is how much? It is 25. That AC value is equal to square root of 41. It is complicated when I'm using this particular method because he has given under the root of 41. Now you can find out sine theta and cos theta values and then you can substitute. What is meant by sine theta here? Sine theta is equal to
Opposite side.
opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is meant by opposite side? It is
4 by root
4
41.
divided by square root of 41. Next, cos theta value is how much? Pi divided. That means
5 divided by
adjacent
root
side
41.
divided by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So adjacent side means 5 divided by square root of 41. This is the method you can use even for solving for finding the required value. What is asking? 5 times of sine theta minus 3 times of cos theta divided by, we have sine theta plus 2 cos theta. This is another method just I'm using. This is another method is equal to 5. What is meant by sine theta? 4 by root 41 minus 3. What is meant by cos theta? 5 by root 41 divided by, what is meant by sine theta? 4 by root 41 and plus 2 into, what is meant by cos theta? 5 divided by root 41. Root 41 is an LCM here. So 5 into 4, it is 20 minus 15 divided by root 41 for the numerator. Denominator 4 plus 10 divided by root 41.
Sir, you wrote root
Root-
14, sir.
Root 41 will get cancelled. That's I'm going to get 5 divided by 14 is the required answer directly. You can get direct. Root
Sir, I
41,
didn't
root 41
understand,
cancel.
sir.
Who is that?
Ritvik, sir.
Okay, last 1 minute after completion of the next question, you can wait. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Two
sir.
methods I have given to you for solving of this question.
Sir, I didn't understand the second method.
Second method, this is already we have done in the previous question also.
I didn't understand
for the
why did
previous
you
question.
take the root of 41, sir?
Root 41, what hypotenuse, how we can get? You told me that I think you are getting 3, I think so. What is meant by AC square? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the two opposite, AB square plus BC square. 16 plus 25, 41. AC is equal to square root of 41 or not?
Yes, sir.
AC square, you got AC square value as 41. Then AC is equal to root 41.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. From this, I can get sine theta value. For the previous question, it is different. What is the previous one? 4 square plus 3 square. How much? 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9, 25. Root 25 is a 5. It is a perfect square. So you can get 5 directly. But here for this question, I'll get root 41.
Sir, it is not a Pythagorean triplet.
Yes. Clear, Ritvik?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Right. Very good. Very good. Next, small question for you guys. This is for your practice. Only 4-5 questions we have completed today. I think it is the question number 5. He has given sine theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2. Then find the value of sine power 10 theta plus cosecant power 10 theta. Yes, is equal to how much?
Sir, done, sir, already.
Sine theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2. Then find the value of sine power 10 theta plus cosecant power 10 theta. So
Sir,
we
2
have the
power 10,
options.
sir.
Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, is the answer 2 power 10?
No, options are not given. 2 power 10 is not given. These are the 4 options we have. You can work on it. If you're having any problem with this question, we'll discuss in the next class. In the last point, I can take none of these instead of this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We'll try to discuss in the next class, that is in tomorrow, if you are perfect in this question. That is in the next class, guys. That's it for today.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye and good night, guys.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.